ago, in October 2024, we set up Sikh Federation International. In 1984, we had a presence within a matter of months in probably over a dozen countries. Well, those people still exist. If anything, now we probably have a presence in 25 countries. And what particularly Maninder Singh and Prabhjot Singh have been doing at the UN is using the issue of transnational repression to say there is a real appetite for governments to know why Sikhs are being targeted. And I think this is probably the start of a dialogue today that we want to carry on here and elsewhere, because people are genuinely interested in the Sikh struggle. I think our demand for a sovereign Sikh state will never go away. It's been in our blood, it's what our gurus taught us, and the biggest mistake that Narendra Modi may have made is to take the issue of transnational repression, because what he's opened up is this sort of dialogue across the globe, that people are saying, why is Narendra Modi so worried about less than 2% of Sikhs in India seeking their independence? And I think it goes back to the heart of what Prabhjot Singh said. It's not our numbers. Why were we the third party in partition? Because the sacrifices Sikhs have made outweigh our numbers. We were huge landowners in 1947. And I think that sort of history really bothers India, that if Sikhs were to get their independence, you could see the breakup of India. But similarly, they also know they may have to concede the argument for Sikh independence to retain what credibility they have in the rest of India. So this is what we're trying to get to grips with.